Thailand is 300 meters high from the ground floor. The world's leading elevator company, LG, has specially designed this elevator to run smoothly at the speed of 240 meters per minute, and it takes approximately 1 minute and 20 seconds from the ground floor to the observation deck.
หลังคลอดเป็น
Beginning
ไว้
with
หลัง
the
คลอดได้ทั้ง
20th
นี้ก็
floor,
ชี
the
ฟ้า
light will be switched off to allow you to have a better view of the eastern side of the city, with the most important residential areas in Bangkok all night. On a clear day, you can see far away beyond the Baiyoke Hotel to the Gulf of Thailand. Thank you for your visit. Enjoy the magnificent view of the city, and we are looking forward to welcoming you back in our Baiyoke Sky Hotel in the near future.
Bangkok 이러면
เออ
Let's keep it 또 foreign 유는 지냐
Baiyoke Sweet Hotel.
เออเป็นที่
지야랑 저기서
Most comfort and convenience for everyone. Fully equipped with modern facilities with enviable panoramic views of the city.
Not in line